Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to today's guided pranayama practice. Continuing with the series of yoga for diabetes, we're going to be focusing on pranayama, which are especially beneficial for people with diabetes. Essentially, all pranayama practices help reduce the speed of thoughts in our mind, in turn helping us reduce stress and calm our minds. You will be able to see all the other benefits on the screen before each practice. I'll also leave a write-up in the description below. So we're going to begin by sitting in any comfortable seated position, either on the chair or on the mat. If you need additional support, you can always lean against the wall. We're going to begin the session with abdominal breathing. Here, we are going to first bring our palms to rest on our belly and just notice how is it that we are actually breathing. While we breathe in, is our belly moving towards our palm or it's moving away from it? What is happening when we breathe out? Now bringing all your awareness to your abdominal region. As you breathe in, try and see if you can push your belly into your palm. And as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. If this is just one breathing pattern that you learn and you focus on and you do this every day, you will notice you're automatically able to bring down your stress levels. Breathe in and breathe out. Two more rounds here. You can do this practice anytime you feel stressed, anxious. Pause what you're doing and do diaphragmatic breathing. Now we're going to be practicing Kapalabhati, which is again a cleansing practice. This is a great practice for people who have diabetes. So we're going to sit tall, keeping our back straight. Both your hands can be in Chin Mudra. Again, as you breathe in, like we did before, belly moves forward. As we breathe out, we're trying to pull our belly back towards our spine. Just do this a couple more times. Inhale, belly is forward. Exhale, back. Now, breathe in for the next step. Belly moves forward. As you breathe out forcefully, pull your navel back towards your spine. Again, inhale. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. In Kapalabhati, we're just going to be focusing on breathing out. Breathing in happens automatically. Ideally, we can do about 80 to 120 rounds in a minute, but if you're a beginner, if you've not been doing this practice before, you can start off slowly. We're going to start with 30 rounds. Inhale, forward, exhale. When we're doing this practice, naturally also there is a pause, like there's no air going in and out. That's when you know you can start with your next round. So we're going to do 2 more rounds. Sit tall. Last time, sit tall. There's a tendency for us to round our back. See that you don't do that. Lengthen your spine, shoulders relaxed, face relaxed. Let's begin our practice. I'm doing it at a medium pace. Simply breathe in, completely breathe out. Next, we're going to be practicing Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. This is again a balancing pranayama. Here, left hand is in Chin Mudra. Again, a great practice for diabetes. If you have no time during the day and if you can just do 2 practices, I would suggest that you do the Kapalabhati practice followed by Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Chin Mudra, in your left hand. Nasika Mudra in your right. Thumb open, index, middle finger closes. With our thumb, we're going to open and close our right nostril. With our ring finger, we're going to open and close our left nostril. Close your right nostril. Sit tall. Completely breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Don't worry how long you're going to breathe in or breathe out. Close your left, completely breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. And out through your left. Once you're comfortable doing this, you can always count. Breathing in for 2, breathing out for 2. Or breathing in for 4, out for 4. Again, you can count in your mind. I'm going to just choose to breathe in for 2 counts. Pause. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. And out through your left. Four more rounds. Breath in. Close. Out through your right. Inhale through your right. Exhale through your left. Breathe in all the way till your belly. So you're pushing your belly forward. Close the left nostril. Breathe out as you're pulling your navel back towards your spine. Go again, breath in. Belly forward. Completely breathe out. 2 more rounds. Relax your face. Breath in again. Exhale completely through your left. Breathe in. See that, just become aware if you're slouching. Lengthen your spine as you breathe in. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. And out through your left. Drop your hands down. Breathe in through both your nostrils. Breathe out through both. Now we're going to practice Sadanta Pranayama. This is a cooling practice, but also very beneficial for people with uncontrolled diabetes. Generally, your oral health is compromised. So this helps maintain and manage your oral health better. So here we're going to stack our teeth one over the other. Both your hands in Chin Mudra. You're going to breathe in through your mouth, okay? Close your lips, breathe out through your nose. What happens here is you'll feel a cooling sensation in the back of your throat. You may have excess salivation. Just swallow and continue with your practice. In case you have sensitive teeth, this may not be comfortable. So you can always practice Shitakari, wherein you're rolling your tongue and stacking it between both your teeth, and then you're breathing in. Sit tall, eyes closed, stack your teeth one over the other, open your lips nice and wide. Breathe out through your nose. Let's go again. 4 more rounds. Last round. We're going to end this session by practicing Bhramari, which is a soothing pranayama. Here we're going to close our ears and our eyes, and we're going to chant only na sound. Feel the vibrations in our head and face region. Sit tall. There's this little flap. It's a tragus outside your ear. Use that to kind of cover your ears with your thumb. Your fingers just resting at the bridge of your nose. Eyes stay closed. You can simply let your tongue rest on your lower jaw, or place the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. You can choose. Anything is fine. The focus should be more on the humming sound. Breathe in. You can extend this all throughout your exhalation. It can be long for some, it can be shorter. Just keep practicing and it just gets better. Two more rounds. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Stay here for a few more breaths, just noticing all the different sensations in our body. Thank you for doing this practice with me. I would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. If you can take about 10 to 15 minutes every day to practice all the different pranayamas, you will be able to see the difference that this makes in your life. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like this video. I have a previous video wherein I have asanas for diabetes. You can always check that out. Namaste.